Hi Techies, let's rock with robots. Where young minds dive into the world of exciting robotics. At Tecky Summer Camp, we are not just playing with toys, we are building the future. Our students explore to the fundamentals of robotics, from understanding the basics to create their own robotic models. From wide robots to RF-based wireless robots, our students get hands-on experience with various robotics models. They dwell into the realm of Android-controlled robots using smartphones. Imagine a world where robots respond to your every word. At Tecky Summer Camp, our students explore the possibilities of voice control technology, learning to program the robots that follow their every word command. But the real excitement kicks in the world of robotics competition. Here, our students put their skills into the test, showcasing their ingenuity and creativity as they compete with the little robots as robotics champions. So if you are ready, unleash inner engineer and spark their passion for robotics. Join us at Teckybot Summer Camp 2024. Together, let's build the future of the world with robots. Teckybot, where future meets innovation.